you, this is what I was explaining on the extraction about original honey. You must also see that what I was talking about is very correct. The bottled one, you can see that it's foaming up. This is normal with original honey. And you see that every dirt and any dirt that must have mistakenly entered inside this honey to bring it up. So what I'm trying to do now is to scoop all of these, all of these out of extracted honey. So you don't have any fears. I said, oh, what is this for me? Oh, what does it have all of this? It is very important because all the debts, any debits you find, whether at the middle or at the bottom, definitely come to the top. So this is exactly the proof of what I'm doing.